Well, I got my 2 gutter pieces made up. Couldn't really video because I'm in the sun. It's roasting today. I got this one ready to go. Got the end. I can put this one, the full one, in, and then I'll take my measurement and see what I need, and I'll cut from this one. But I already got the end made up. Got the drop tube for my downspout. Got the end on there. I didn't get carried away with the caulking. We don't want any speed bumps. We want the water to flow down and go right in the hole. I cut that out with the Dremel, with a small cutoff wheel. It's basically a carbon blade, a metal cutting blade. And now it looks like it's shot. I have more though. But that's what I used to get that hole nice. And I caulked it and screwed it in. Got the end cap screwed in, caulked, ready to go. White screws. Let's get up there and see what I can do. Just wanted to show you, I did caulk this corner here where they were getting in. Caulked it with white urethane. And now I just did myself a reference line all the way down. I'm gonna try to follow that with the gutter so it's pitched to the downspouts. It's a little hot to be doing this with the camera on my head, so I might have to just do it like this, just to show you what I'm doing. It's roasting today, but you see they're still trying to get in. Can't get in. I did see them going there. Maybe I'll caulk that later. So just trying to get in there again. What are you gonna do? Kind of feel bad. They're hard workers. That's all they do all day is worry about making that nest, taking care of the young. Hard workers, gotta respect them. That last clip was on Friday. This is Sunday. So this is how far I got on Sunday. Temporarily had to put the 4-inch spout up because I forgot. Being that I put the bigger drop tube on, I couldn't fit that 3x4 downspout temporary, so I had to go with the new stuff. But it's not going to be like this. It's going to, I'm probably going to run it over and mount it to the wall down. So this is what I did. I put them up. These are 3-inch fasteners with rubber washers on the back just to get it in place. Then I came back with the brackets and I put them every 2 feet. I think the recommendation is every 2 to 4 feet or 3 to 4 feet. Well, I went every 2 feet. So because I'm using these, I can't use the old gutter guards because they fasten the same way that these brackets do. So the brackets are in the way. So we're gonna have to use these. I already had them. I bought them for here a few years ago before we decided to do all this stuff. I was just gonna use them for gutter guards until I realized there was already gutter guards. So we're just gonna use these. I got 225 feet of this. So I'm sure I can't return them now, so I might as well use them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna do a water test first. Make sure my pitch is good. It did rain yesterday and I didn't see any puddles laying in here when I got here today, but it could have dried up too. So I want to do a test. So yeah, when I did the roof, it's dying. You see it there, and it's starting to fall into the gutter. Some of the dead moss. Yep, it's dead. It's loose. Comes right off. So I guess that stuff did work. I still see the black stains though, so I don't know. I may do it one more time before I get rid of this machine. If not, I'll have to do it later from up there. I'll have to stand up there and shoot down, I guess. All right, I just rinsed them out. Rinsed the trash out of them. Because I don't want to trap that under the gutter guards. There's no sense in that. And yeah, so far no puddles laying, so it should be good. I see a slight puddle down the end there, probably because that drop tube is up a little bit. Just a little tiny bit there, but it's not enough to make a lot of ice for a lot of weight to make this sag. And that's what I was going for. I want these to stay the way I fastened them and not get worse. So let's try the roof. Seems to be running nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Put the gutter guards on now. I probably need to be smacked for thinking about using these. Let's get them out of here. They're just not going to work. Because you see I got a slope. Well, eventually when I get down to the end, they're going to be like this. So yeah, that's not going to work. I got some aluminum ones, some Bergers. Let's use them. Got these bad boys. Let's see how these are going to work. Nice. Yeah, we're going to go with these. and I can get up against the brick with these. The other ones were in a little bit, and I was thinking about caulking that, but this would be better. All right, so now we just screw them down. Set the gun up first. Come on, magnetic, help me out. Oh, dropping screws. That's not good.